হেই, হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান। ভাবছো এই লকডাউনে বসে আমি বোর হচ্ছি? না, একদমই না। অ্যাকচুয়ালি দিস লকডাউন ইজ হেল্পিং মি ইন এক্সপ্লোরিং মাই ইনার সেলফ। হাউ? ওকে, লেট মি শো ইউ দেন।
অলরেডি 6টা মতো বাজে, সো আ ডিসেন্ট এক্সারসাইজ উড জাস্ট বি পারফেক্ট নাও। লেটস গো।
ব্যায়াম তো না হয় হলো, তাহলে এই এখন 2 ঘন্টা কি করা যায়?
বাকিদের কথা জানা নেই, but I got a plenty amount of time for my preparations towards the upcoming competitive exams.
বাবাই খেয়ে নে।
রেখে দাও, 5টা সময় কল
আচ্ছা
করার পর
ঠিক আছে,
খাবো।
তাড়াতাড়ি খেয়ে নে।
Don't think that these exams will not occur, so do your preparations.
আপাতত পড়াশোনা কমপ্লিট। নাও আই নিড আ ব্রেক, সো আই উইল গ্র্যাব মাই গিটার। না, যা ঠিক হলো না তো। হ্যালো ঐশিকি, হ্যাঁ তেরে ইয়ার হুমে গানটা আমার ঠিক হচ্ছে না, একটু করে শোনাবি প্লিজ।
ফোনে তো বলা যাবে না, আমি তোকে ভিডিও রেকর্ড করে পাঠাচ্ছি।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে, চল।
तू जो रूठा तो कौन हंसेगा, तू जो छूटा तो कौन रहेगा, तू चुप है तो ये डर लगता है, अपना मुझको अब कौन कहेगा, तू ही वजह तेरे बिना बेवजह बेकार हूँ मैं, तेरा यार हूँ मैं, तेरा यार हूँ मैं।
বাইরে যাচ্ছিস, মাস্ক নিয়ে যাস।
মাস্ক? তাহলে তো মনে হচ্ছে বানাতে হবে এখন। চলো দেখা যাক।
স্নান এবং ঠাকুর পুজো ডান। এখন একটু দরকার পেট পুজোর। ভয় নেই, ডালগোনা কফি বানাচ্ছে না। দেওয়ার পর দুপুরবেলাটা একটু রেস্ট চাই, সো বাই বাই। In the evenings, you can develop your stylish dance moves like her.
দেখো আলো আলো আকাশ, দেখো আকাশ তারায় ভরা, দেখো যাওয়ার পথের পাশে ছোটে হাওয়া পাগল পারা, এত আনন্দ আয়োজন সবই বৃথা আমায় ছাড়া, ভরে থাকুক আমার মুঠো, দুই চোখে থাকুক ধারা, এলো সময় রাজার মতো, হলো কাজের হিসেব সারা।
সন্ধ্যাবেলায় তাল সে তাল মেলা, তাল সে তাল মেলা। জীবনের সুর, তাল আর ধরে রেখো ছন্দ, ক্রিয়েটিভিটি দেখাতে করো না কোনো দ্বন্দ্ব। দেখতে দেখতে স্কুল লাইফের 14টা বছর কেটে গেল। ছোটবেলায় ভাবতাম কবে স্কুলের গণ্ডিটা পেরোবো, এখন যখন সত্যিই সব শেষ, মনে হয় ফিরে পেলে ভালো হতো সেই সোনায় মোড়ানো দিনগুলো।
नमस्कार। एक बार फिर से इस लॉकडाउन पीरियड में आपसे मुखातिब हैं। आज का दिन एक विशेष दिन है, इट्स ए वेरी स्पेशल डे फॉर अस, बट बिफोर गोइंग टू दैट आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क यू पीपल हाउ योर टाइम इज गोइंग ड्यूरिंग दिस लॉकडाउन पीरियड। Today morning I saw one video from class 12th and it has inspired me to do something different. So don't think always teachers or the parents or the eminent personalities only inspire others. Sometimes we people, the great people are not great, I'm not including myself and great, even great people also, they are inspired by the response of the student. But one thing is sure, you must be missing me and my teachers, as well as we are also missing you. I am missing you very badly because I have forgot rather so many things in the last 40 days approximately. Say for example, you must have forgotten when you have been asked not to come late. The teachers complained when you are reaching late to the class from the games period. How can you miss the games period? Then some of you are missing the morning assembly and hiding yourself in the washrooms and here and there. Getting punishment from the teacher as well as me. For me, the 10 times, you must be remembering that 10 times revision work, other than other things. That is missing. Then lunch box. Children rushing to my office, or whenever I go to the class to check the tiffin box, the defaulters used to hide because they have not brought the proper food or nutrients in the box. Throwing off fruits on the fruit day and then again getting caught and getting punishment again of revision work. So all these things you must be missing. At least I am missing. I am really missing you all, and I wish that this lockdown period should finish, should be over as soon as possible, and I can see back your smiling face. The other thing during this lock period is, as we already mentioned in the morning assembly, about hygiene, particularly that hand wash. If you remember those steps, how to clean your hand wash, doing them, rubbing the hands like this, then doing like this. This is second step. Then this is the third step. Then your thumbs, and of course the last step, washing them clearly, not touching your eyes, nose, or mouth. I have a very bad habit of putting my hand again and again, if you have seen during conversation, around this portion, because I am getting too much sweat over here. So instead of hand, you can use a handkerchief to use it. So this is about the second thing which I request you to follow in this. The another third thing today, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, the nation is remembering our COVID warriors. And these warriors are the doctors, the nurses, ASHA workers, housekeeping, security guards, and all related military, paramilitary, and all other these forces who are not worried about their life. In some part of the country, these warriors have been attacked also. It's so shameful. So I am requesting you today that to remember them, encourage them in their support. Whenever you are doing any of the puja, Ramzan month is going on for Muslims. I request my all Muslim brothers and sisters and students to do dua for all these warriors, for their good health. So the TTV should come forward to put our hands together to appreciate the work done by these COVID warriors. Keep on doing good things, children. Stay calm, stay healthy. Thank you and namaskar.
Namaste, teachers. I am elated. To watch the episodes of Namaste Teacher series. It clearly shows how much dedicated you are. You have put your heart and soul to make these videos, just to reach out to your students, just to keep the system of education flowing. We are thankful, so very much thankful to you, and you are the source of inspiration for us also, that we regularly are recording videos. This way we can connect with each other. And what to talk about students? I'm spellbound. Clap, clap, clap. That's what I can say. all these efforts are taking a very good shape because of our great leader, Dr. Ravi Shankar Sharma, our principal, who is the torchbearer for this Namaste culture in our school premises. This culture, Namaste, which is adopted by now worldwide by every nation, is a regular thing, a very normal phenomena at TTV. Starting from LKG to class 12, everyone knows how to greet each other, how to greet the teachers, the principal, the headmistress by saying Namaste. This is something we do regularly and it comes to us automatically. Thank you so much, sir, for bringing such a positive culture in the school. And everyone, please remember what are the suggestions that sir has given for proper hand washing. I will not repeat those words because he has already described very nicely. Let us follow it ardently. All other government directives we are following. After following these directives, we practice the positivity in mind so that it gives us strength to fight against this deadly demon monster, which is spiky monster. लड़ेगा तभी तो जीतेगा India. At the end, I want to join nation to pay my tribute, my respect, my gratitude towards all the emergency service people who are related with medical, paramedics, police force, army, the NGOs, the organizations who are delivering food to poor people, needy people at this moment. My heartfelt gratitude towards them is extended. I take this opportunity to extend, and this gives immense pleasure, proudness inside that I belong to such a country who never forgets to express their gratitude towards the heroes, towards the war heroes. This is no less than a war. I'm very much eager to see the next episode of Namaste Teachers series so that I can get more learning, I can get more positive vibes, I can get more students, more teachers showing us the ways which we have never thought before. Till then, Namaste. If you miss the train I'm on, you will know that I'm gone. You can hear the whistle blow 100 miles. कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा, ओ हमनवा। ये